Okay, I want to show you a really easy way to make really good AI generated slides for your YouTube video using NotebookLM from Google. So it's just notebooklm.google.com. And, you can make really anything you want to do with NotebookLM. It's really powerful. There's so many different options. I'll show you what I did in this example. I just made a video, not a video. I asked to do research first, and it's a really good research assistant of making 5 fluffy dogs and images for them. I didn't give it a lot of input, and then I went over and I said, "Let's make a slide deck." And you can also see, what I did was I used a presenter slide for one of them, and then I gave it more information saying I want big visuals, big bold fonts, and a fun fact about the dog. And then you generate. That's it. You can also just click on it. And I'll show you two examples of what I made, what it made. And it takes a few minutes. So I wanted to um, show you first, the final result, because it takes a while to produce, because they really are very good, and I'll just show you. So you can use this if you have, like, for Podsplice, you just need a screen recording software, and then you can make a really good presentation. You don't have to even, this could be a real presentation in real life too. But let's just look at the presentation and just watch the slideshow. So look at these fluffy dogs that it made. Look at the photos. 5 fluffy dogs. They look amazing, I think. Let's just go back. So it gives you some information about the dogs, the different dogs, a fun fact about it. So here's one, the shaggy shadow, the clown intelligent goofy, often described as a giant orb of fur with a kind soul. So it's pretty cool how easy it is and how good it is. It would take a long time, obviously, to make a slide of this, a slideshow of this kind of quality. It's really good. So you can use this for free, and then you just make a screen recording video afterwards. So that's one. That's one example. And here's another one. So I'll just show you the different types of ones you can do. This one had bigger, bolder fonts. So let's just see what this looks like. So this is full screen. Like, look at this dog. It looks hilarious. From puffball to lion. Look at these. Weighs 7 pounds, thinks it pulls sleds. I mean, these look like kind of like magazine article advertisements for the dogs. I kind of want one now too. Part dog, part lion, part cat. I mean, just look at this. The quality is amazing. You get the idea, but you can use these directly using Podsplice or any screen recording software. But this is all free. Look at this: 7 pounds to 150 pounds, 100% fluff. Like, this is a really good visual, I think. Look at these 5 fluffy dogs. I think it's unbelievable. And it's not, I mean, I just wanted to show you the diversity of things you can do with it. And the cool thing is, if you're making a presentation, or you're a YouTuber and you want to have a slideshow, that's great. But you can also, on Podsplice, you can do reaction videos too. So let's, like, look at one of these dogs. You can go over to this, like, to a different tab, and say, oh, let's actually look at the fluffy chow lion dog and play an example. And
This animal, which looks like a lion from the outside, is actually a chow chow. When they are puppies, they are incredibly cute, resembling a fluffy giant stuffed toy. As adults, chow chows have a strong build.
so you get the idea. So you can play videos along with your slideshow presentation, and that's a reaction video. So you can actually get system audio on Podsplice. That's the cool part about Podsplice compared to other uh, cloud-based screen recording softwares. You can actually get the YouTube audio as well, and then share it for your YouTube video. So I just wanted to share with you a really easy technique to make really good AI generated slides, and then you can use them for reaction videos, or a slideshow presentation, whatever you want to do. And I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you on the next one.